I love selling homes that are brand new and beautiful. And there's nothing nicer than we work really, really hard enough to be able to buy a brand new property and enjoy the fruits of our labour. These 4-bedroom townhouses, yes, I said 4 bedrooms, are brand new and situated in one of the best locations in Balgownie. Why? Because you are moments to everything that the Balgownie village has to offer, such as the Bally Pub, cafes, restaurants, newsagents, butchers, we've got hairdressers, we've got so many specialty shops here, and it really does cater for everything that you could want. The complex is small and boutique with only 3 in total. The bathrooms are beautifully appointed. You have en-suites and a natural flow from the open plan living areas to an outdoor alfresco space and courtyard. You will also enjoy the double garage with internal access. These truly are great residences to purchase, so please reach out to me, Joanne Dancourt at One Agency, JD Property Agents, so I can discuss with you all the finite details and why one of these properties could be the one you have been waiting for. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.